Hey, what's up, YouTube? Just an FYI, I'm on my knees. Just for the heck of it. But now, to the point. My name is Claysan295, and today, I'll be doing a video on my top 10 impersonations of Pokemon. The Pokemon that I'll be going to impersonate today are, in order, Pikachu, Cyndaquil, Chikorita, Pichu, Weasel, Marill, Prinplup, Empoleon, Totodile, and Piplup. Now here we go. Now for Pichu. Pikachu. Cyndaquil. Cyndaquil. Chikorita. Chico. Pichu. Pichu. Marill. Marill. Weasel. Wiggly. I know it's not the best, but deal with it. No, for Prinplup. Prinplup. Now for Empoleon. Empoleon. Totodile. I know that's not the best, but deal with it. And Piplup. Piplup. Now for a minute of randomness. Yeah, gotta get this off.
Hello YouTube, my name is SmartGuy798, and we're going to be having a moment of randomness. Okay, no.
C.
Damn.
No.
C. Alright.
Oh god, here we go.
Now you guys are going to be freaking out, because I freak my sister out with this all the time.
Oh yeah, I'm out.
Who else but Quagmire? He's Quagmire. Quagmire. You never know what he's gonna do next. He's Quagmire. Quagmire. Giggity, 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 giggity. Let's have sex.
Oh, I hope nothing spoils this fancy dinner party.
Giggity, 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 goop. Who else but Quagmire? He's Quagmire. Quagmire. Giggity, giggity, goop.
Get the hell off this.
Okay, now.
Oh, here we go. This
the
is my
last moment of randomness.
Hit me, brother. Ow! Ow!
She really hurt herself. And
I'm okay, YouTube. I'm okay.
yeah, me and her love to putz around.
Yep.
Alright, see you later, YouTube.
Peace out, home dogs.